The ethics complaint of the NUP, kasi it signals internal party discipline struggles, 'di ba?
Hmm,
Whether strategic or principled, it reflects the fractures within the coalition politics. From my point of view, ethics complaints are often used as a political pressure tool ng ibang party, not specific kay NUP, not just accountability mechanism. Ang key point here is this is as much about power alignment as it is about ethics. You see my point?
yeah, kasi I don't know if I'm getting your point, kasi pahayag kasi si Kiko Barsagat that he is publicly saying that he is pro Duterte and anti-Marcos. And alam natin NUP is a part of the majority bloc ng Kongreso which is aligned with the
Mm.
president. Do you think there is a connection for this ethics complaint?
Again, ano kasi, even though you're in a party,
Mhm,
we have individualism, right? Kung sa tingin mo, you're not aligned with the party, with the visions and kumbaga, mission and vision ng political party mo, then why are you
mhm.
still there? That's my question. Why are you still there? If you don't believe on the mission and vision, kumbaga, or the ideals of your party, then why are you there?
Do you think it's part of a broken political party system?
Sinabi ko nga kanina, di ba? It could
Mhm,
be a reflection of fractured within the coalition politics.
mhm,
It could be pressure on that individual or on that
mhm,
particular politician, o baka naman accountability mechanism failure ng party itself. I think kailangan party mismo yung mag-balance and check ito bang certain politician ito is still worth having in the party,
mhm.
'di ba? Kasi kung yung itong politician na 'to is not not joining the party's vision and ideals, then again, what are you doing there? You have to ask yourself, is this still aligned with my ideology or my belief, political belief? Then if
So
it's
it's
not,
like parang it's like instead of staying in that political realm of
hmm,
politics, mag-independent ka